Right, so which of the following examples resembles a list? A branching tree, chapters in a book, a map of the world. Okay, chapters in a book. If some planets at index 0 equals Venus, then add code to set my planet to Earth. Rather say some planets. So then you take some planets and they set what to Earth, which is at 0, 1, 2, 3, index 3. Alright, so lists or data structure. Lists are a data structure. They are important in programming because they are unordered and random. They are ordered and sequential, can only contain one item. They are ordered and sequential. When we add something to the end of a list, that's known as slicing, popping, appending. What will be the value of my subject? Subject, math, biology, art, gym. My subject at index 1, it's going to be biology. So make sure you're comfortable with the above concepts before moving on. So if we loop twice, that's the order, 4 times. So in order to fill everything, we're going to do it, 8 times, right? So if we reset this, let's set it just at 10 times, just to be exact. So let's start with red, blue, basically contrasting colors, dark green, light pink. So if we run this, that's the exact order. That's exactly how a loop works. When you iterate through a loop, it's the same. Okay, so let's start the next quiz.